When it comes to tackling tough outdoor cleaning, efficiency matters most. Today, we're going over the best-rated electric power washers from our top picks. Spray, versatility, and reliability, making patios, driveways, and vehicles spotless quickly, while saving time and effort. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX3500 Power Washer. The Westinghouse EPX3500 Power Washer is designed for homeowners who want serious cleaning power without the bulk and hassle of a traditional gas unit. With up to 2,500 max PSI and a peak flow of 1.76 GPM at lower pressure, it handles a wide range of everyday cleaning jobs, from washing cars and patio furniture to blasting grime off driveways, decks, and garage floors. Its pro-style steel extendable wand feels sturdy in hand, and the quick connect nozzles, including 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, turbo, and soap, make it easy to switch between delicate rinsing and aggressive cleaning. One of its standout strengths is portability. At only 19 pounds and just 16.5 inches tall, the EPX3500 is incredibly easy to move around, store, and transport. The 4 quick-lock wheels with 360-degree steering provide excellent maneuverability, while the low center of gravity helps prevent tipping during use. Number 2. Giraffe G30 Power Washer. The Giraffe G30 Power Washer is built for users who want a powerful, organized, and semi-permanent cleaning solution. Featuring a robust 1,800-watt induction motor, it produces up to 2,900 PSI and 2.2 GPM, making it capable of removing stubborn grime, oil stains, rust, grease, and embedded dirt with ease. The induction motor is a major advantage, offering quieter operation, improved durability, and more consistent performance compared to standard universal motors. One of the G30's most appealing features is its wall-mounted design, which keeps your garage or workspace neat and clutter-free. With no assembly required, it's ready to use right out of the box. The integrated 100-foot retractable hose reel is a standout feature, providing exceptional reach while protecting the hose from kinks, snags, and wear. Rewinding and unwinding the hose is smooth and effortless, saving time and physical effort. The washer includes 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, and a foam cannon.
Number 3. Greenworks Pro Power Washer. The Greenworks Pro Power Washer stands out as a high-performance electric washer aimed at users who want near gas-level power without the maintenance. Powered by a 14-amp true brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 3,000 PSI and 2.0 GPM, resulting in strong cleaning units that handle demanding jobs like deep concrete cleaning, siding, fences, and large outdoor surfaces. A key advantage is that all PSI and GPM claims are independently lab-tested and verified, giving buyers confidence that the performance matches the specifications. Greenworks' JetFlow technology further enhances usability by delivering up to 50% more flow, helping water reach higher areas and making quick rinsing more efficient. This is especially useful for multi-story homes or tall fences where consistent reach matters. The included accessories are well thought out, featuring a rugged metal spray gun that feels durable and professional, along with a 25-foot UberFlex hose that resists kinking and tangling during use.
Number 4. Joe SPX3000 Power Washer. The Joe SPX3000 Power Washer is one of the most popular electric models on the market, known for its balance of affordability, versatility, and dependable performance. Delivering up to 2,030 PSI of working pressure and 1.2 GPM of water flow, it is well suited for cleaning cars, RVs, patios, decks, siding, and outdoor furniture. Its PWMA certification adds credibility, ensuring the pressure ratings meet industry standards. One of the SPX3000's biggest strengths is versatility. It comes with 5 quick connect spray tips, ranging from a pinpoint 0-degree jet to a wide 40-degree fan, plus a dedicated soap nozzle for detergent application.
The dual onboard detergent tanks are especially convenient, allowing users to store and switch between two different cleaning solutions without stopping work. The washer also features a 34-inch stainless steel lance with solid brass fittings, providing durability and better resistance to wear compared to plastic components.
Number 5. Yeryork 33-foot Power Washer. The Yeryork 33-foot Power Washer is designed to offer strong performance, practical features, and enhanced durability for everyday outdoor cleaning tasks. Driven by a powerful 1900-watt motor, it delivers high maximum PSI at up to 2 GPM, combining pressure and flow to effectively remove dirt, stains, and grime from driveways, decks, siding, vehicles, and outdoor equipment. A notable feature is the adjustable pressure system, which allows users to fine-tune PSI levels using a rotating switch, making it easier to adapt the washer to both delicate and heavy-duty jobs. The integrated hose rail with a 33-foot high-pressure hose provides extended reach and simplifies storage, keeping the workspace organized and reducing setup time. Leak-proof connections add to its reliability with a secure 14mm threaded connector that ensures a tight, universal fit with most standard hoses. Durability is further enhanced by the 17-inch stainless steel spray lance with brass fittings, offering better strength and corrosion resistance than plastic alternatives. That wraps up the top 5 best-rated electric power washers. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.